if you want
Yes, for the Kriya.
Kriya Pada. Okay. Kriya. The for it is actually I should have written the Atmanepadi Pratyayas also. I forgot about it. So
Okay.
This
is Atmanepadi or Parasmepadi?
Tip tas jhi, sip thas tha, mip was mas. This is for Parasmaipadi. Okay. This Gachami, Gachavaha, Gachamaha. So those forms come with this.
Gachasi, Gachatha, Gachata, Gachati, Gachatah, Gachanti.
So Gachanti, how did it come? With G, that we will see. Okay. So here Bhu Dhatu Lat Lakaraha. So Lat Vartamane iti Sutraha. Okay. Then here what happens is this Tip tas G. Actually, I have that sutra written somewhere. Let me.
Mahinga Halantyam Tashyaloka.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
Tiptas G, Siptas. Are you able to see this?
Which one? The first document only we are able to see.
Okay. Let me first let me show the sutras. Then we can do the prakriya. See, in Tinganta Prakaranam, we have this first one is Tiptas Ji, Siptas Tha, Mitpas Mas, Ta Atamja. Ta Atamja, these are for Atmanepadi. These are Atmanepadi Pratyayas. Thas Atham Dvam, It Vahi Mahi. Okay. So, Lakarasya sthane Tiptas Ji, Siptas Tha, Mitpas Mas, Ta Atamja. Ete adeshaha bhavanti. These come as adesha in the place of lat lakara. Bhu plus lat. No, in that place, only? One of these will come, whichever is applicable.
Okay, but it just says lakarasya. Lakarasya means lat lakara here.
Lat, yes. Okay. Then one kartari shap sutra is there. The pratyayas are divided into sarvadhatuka and ardhadhatuka pratyayas. The verb gets the vikarana pratyaya shap in the presence of a sarvadhatuka pratyaya in kartari prayoga. Here shap pratyaya
what does it mean? Gets
okay. Then lashakva tadhite. Tadhita bhinna pratyayasya, where tadhita is not there. There adisthaha vidyamanaha lakaraha shakaraha kavargiya varnaha, they become itsanyaka.
What is this?
Lashakva tadhite is a sutra. Here tadhita bhinna pratyayasya lashaku atadhite iti sutrasya arthaha. Lakaraha shakaraha kavargaha lashaku atadhite.
What is tadhita bhinna?
That which is not tadhita.
Okay.
Other than tadhita. Okay. Then sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho is a sutra. When followed by sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka pratyaya, an iganta anga gets gunadesha. This I'll explain later. Okay. Then HOA, this comes when evo I au. For this, see, ye, when ye comes along with ye, so yakara comes here. Kayete. So ayad. Kayete. Then when O, Vishnu Etat is there. it becomes Vishnavetat. Au. It becomes Au. Vishnavetat. Then I. Nai akaha nayakaha. Nayakaha comes from this. Nai akaha. So it becomes Naya. It won't be Nayakaha. Nayakaha. I has come. Okay. Then Au. Vayau avarunadhi. Vayavarunadhi. Au. Okay. And one more sutra is there. Jhontaha. Pratyayasya jh ityasya ant iti adeshah bhavati. There bhavanti we are getting, no? Bhu bhavati bhavatah bhavanti. Tatra jhi pratyayah asti. For that this ant iti adeshah bhavati. Okay, now we will go to the prakriya part.
So from next week onwards, Monday you are teaching Sasyam class? Continue?
Not Monday. For you Monday night.
For us, Lata class is on Thursdays, right? Thursday night or Friday morning.
Okay.
Right, Anil Mahdi?
I think so. You haven't got any communication. They said they will send a mail actually.
Yes, they will send. This week you will get.
I think
Yeah, but I think tentatively that is what
somewhere
is
I
planned.
saw the date.
Yeah.
See here.
Bhudhatu. Upadesha Ajanunasika ite
That sutra you
Tasya
know. Anyhow. So we will go to the next one. Bhu tip. This tip comes from tiptasji, siptastha, that sutra. Then halantyam, tasya lopaha. This halantyam sutrena, this pakara goes.
Okay, so he says halanta atiyam.
Halantyam, hal antyam, tasya lopaha. This pakara goes. So bhu plus ti is there. Now with kartari shap, you get this shap pratyaya here. And there are rules for bringing in some these pratyayas, where to fit them. For that also there are rules. You cannot fit it wherever you want. That is called what is it? It's a separate chapter actually. Where
Can
to
we understand this clearly? At what stage?
No, that also is you should go along with this only. Otherwise,
how did the shap come there?
This with this sutra, Kartari Shap Sutra. In Kartari.
Okay. So with bhu we can form karmani kartari both. So he's telling for kartari the shap will come.
Bhu shap plus this ti from here has come. Okay. Then lashakva tadhite tasya.
I say an example for that.
What? For what?
For the first one, it is like patati, right? Is that what it is?
Pat plus shap plus ti. So shap ka lobha bhavati.
Can you go up, scroll up? This one. Yeah. Ita tasya lopa. Okay. Bhu plus lat.
Bhu plus lat. Lat vartamane sutrena lat agachati atra. Then it will be some that with the Chandra Bindu. So upadeshe ach is swara. Swaraksharam whatever is there, that will go. Okay, upadeshe ach anunasika itu tasya lopaha.
So the first okay, can you show the table actually?
Which table? This one?
Okay. Oh, tip is the first one.
Hmm.
Hmm. Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Huh. Now, this after this, second step is this tip, bhu plus tip. Because
Correct.
tip is the pratyaya for prathama purusha
Ekvachanam.
ekavachanam.
Ekvachanam.
Okay. Then
Hmm.
this with halantyam and tasya lopaha, this pakaram goes. Only bhu plus ti is there. Then the sutra kartari shap says bring in kartari, bring in shap between
For
bhu
Kartari.
and ti. So shap pratyaya comes there. Now lashakva tadhite tasya lopaha. Lakarah, shakarah, kavargah, whatever is in the beginning of the pratyaya, that should be tasya lopaha bhavati. That should get cancelled. Okay. Then halantyam tasya lopaha. This pakaram hal asti kila, atah tasya lopaha. So now when you have removed shakar, shukara, only a remains. Shu plus a. That shakara gone, only akaram is there.
Akaram.
Now with this sarvadhatuka ardhadhatukayoho sutrena, bhu becomes bho. Okay. That again can be written as bh plus o plus a plus t.
What is the sarvadhatuka dhatukayo?
That's a sutra that says whatever anga is there of the pratyaya, that becomes not the pratyaya, root word, this one, the root, that becomes gunakshara.
Okay. What is gunakshara?
There are gunaksharas and vriddhi aksharas.
Gunakshara is e, o, r.
Vriddhi,
Okay.
I, au, like that. They are vriddhi aksharas.
Okay.
For
Okay. So
that
the
we need
gunakshara will become vriddhi akshara.
Yes.
A, E, U. The
Hey,
first
only
line.
e, o, r. That's all Gunakshara.
Gunakshara.
Oh, the first line is gunakshara, second line is okay.
The first line
Vriddhi
R here. E,
Oh.
o, r.
Oh, I is not there?
I, U, like that. I'll tell you later about this gunaksharas. So here it is this U is there, no? So it becomes O, bho. Okay. So that can be written as bh plus O plus plus this and T are same. Then with this echo yavayavaha, this with this sutra, it becomes bhavati. Ati will become bhavati.
Ava.
Au
becomes ava.
Au
Yes,
has come.
right. Bhudatu bhavati. Such a transformation takes place here.
Yes. This you will learn in your next level. Only this you will learn. So next, vivachanam. That is bhavati bhavataha. We have to get bhavataha now. Again, lat vartamane. Again here, tas. Tip tas. Tas. Pratyaya will come.
Correct.
Then again you will bring in shap, kartari shap, lashakva tadhite. With this you will cancel shakaram. Then halantyam, with halantyam you tasya lopaha cancel akaram. Only akaram
will remain.
So that become again here bhu becomes bho. Sarvadhatuka ardhadhatuka yoho sutrena. So bho plus a from shap, then tas is remaining. Then that is bh o tas. That bhavatas.
O plus I think should be there.
Yes.
I think is missing. O plus a.
plus
Bo is B plus O.
Yes, yes.
Plus a plus tas.
Bho a tas
A
will
is
be.
missing.
Yes, I.
here I is there.
So that becomes bhavatas with this echoyavayava. Oh, then bhavatar sa sajushoruhu. This you have already learned.
Last class. Correct.
Kharavasanayoho visarjaniyah bhavatah.
This also
So
previous
bhavati
class.
bhavatah is over. Next one. Bahuvachanam.
Bahuvachanam.
It is jhi. So here jhi pratyaya comes. Bhavati bhavatah bhavanti. For that jhi pratyaya comes. Then ant adesha. We have seen in that sutra explanation I have told you. For the jhakara ant adesha will come. Ikara will remain. Jhontah. Okay. Then bhu
Plus.
this again kartari shap comes. Then
Yeah.
tadhite tasya lopah. Then
And plus E.
Correct.
so bho a ant e sarvadhatukarthadhatukayoh. This bhu has become bhu. Then bhavanti echoya vayavah. Echaha I au I avah. That's the way it should be split.
But bhava plus ant, right?
No,
Anti.
not bhava plus ant.
Ant plus E, Anti.
O and a is va, right? Can you go up in the previous one? Just previous one?
Yes.
Here, O plus a
plus
tas. So O plus a will become ava, right?
Ava, yes.
So that's why it became bhava.
Yes. Here.
Similarly, here also.
Here it becomes a plus a.
So then it will be bhava, right? So it should be bhavanti then.
No. There is some sutra missing. I think I'll check and.
Okay.
Otherwise, we can go to this now itself. We can go to this Ashtadhyayi and check there. Bhavanti. Let me share the screen. Can you see?
Yeah.
Bho a anti is there. Okay. Then bhav a anti. Oh, this nascha apadantasya jaliyas. This sutram is left out. So these sutras we have to add. Nascha apadantasya nakaraha jalipare.
Okay. How did you find this list?
No.
This is in
We
the
learned it actually long back, some 10 years back we had learned. So
No. On the website, how did you search it?
you go to ashtadhyayi.com, there go to Dhatu Patha, then there you click on Bhu. First Dhatu is Bhu, they have given. Click on Bhu.
Okay. Okay.
Bhavati, Bhavatah, Bhavanti has come. Okay. Now what you have to do is click on Bhavati if you want to know Bhavati. They have given some extra sutras, but I don't know why my teacher avoided these sutras. I don't remember now.
So I went to Bhu Dhatu and it gives a different forms.
Bhavati, Bhavatah, Bhavanti.
No, but the rules what you were seeing.
Yes. Click on Bhavati.
Bhavati.
Yeah, I got it.
Got it, no? This is the way they have worked.
Yeah. I got it.
Oh, okay. This website has a lot of
Yes.
next level of things.
Yes. It has a lot of
That's
information.
why we didn't use in our session class.
This is Vyakarana, it's not different thing. Grammar is different from Sanskrit.
Before your these detailing, these wouldn't have made any sense to us. Now
Yeah.
little bit making sense.
Yes, once you start doing prakriya, you will enjoy a lot. You will not feel like stopping.
So
at
in our Lata class, will Prakriya be taught?
No.
It's
If
not
you are
taught.
going by Samskrit Bharati, I don't think.
This is for a different course they had taught.
So in our class, will we be learning the Panini Vyakarana?
Vyakaranam, directly
That
not
Panini-
Panini Vyakaranam. You will be learning sandhis and all those things.
See,
So
if you
which
want to
course
learn
typically-
Vyakaranam, you should know all the Sandhi rules, and then it will be easy for you to learn Vyakaranam.
Yes.
Okay. So which
Vyakaran-
course teaches these Prakriya and other things?
Then
Which
Vyakaran
course-
separate session is there. Panini
Yes, we
Vyakaranam.
did in a course called Kavya Pravesha from Karnataka government course. But now they have reduced a lot of syllabus from what we did 10 years back.
I have a question. Why did Sanskrit Bharati remove the letter La? Like in Mangalam, it used to be, right? In the old shlokas and all.
Lakaram comes in Vedas, not in
Yeah,
regular.
why did they remove that letter when it has to be there, right? Why did
Maybe they wanted to make it easier for people.
I don't know. I mean, they,
Because that time Sanskritam was almost a dead language. No?
Yeah.
Now maybe they can add. People are very much interested in learning Sanskritam.
Which letter you are talking about? La.
La.
Agnimile Purohitam, that Lakaram comes.
Yeah. In Marwadi it is there actually.
In Kannada also we have. Kannada, Telugu.
Malayalam also there.
So only in Hindi it is not there?
Yeah, Hindi it is not there.
Hindi also I think it is there.
La is not there.